covered bridges. We're gonna see if we can find a few today.
Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, I'm going to go look for covered bridges today in Pennsylvania and Maryland, so I'm just going to ask Siri, closest covered bridge, and we'll see where she takes me. This should be a fun adventure.
This doesn't look good. A broken post, wood debris on the road, and unfortunately somebody couldn't read the sign that said low bridge, 8 foot 6 inches, and it is now lying here on the side of the road, which somebody destroyed, and the bridge is closed. But we'll at least take a walk up there and get a few shots. Little information of the Rowdy Roads Covered Bridge, which crosses over the Owens Creek here. But as you can see, there are the barriers. And this is one of Maryland's shortest covered bridges, only 40 feet long. There's a nice park right here where you can have a little picnic. And there's also some bathrooms and some swings for the kids or the adults. Just off this side road here is the next covered bridge that I found. Saxe Covered Bridge, built back in 1852 by David S. Stoner. Little warning sign before you get to the bridge. I guess just past or under the bridge here, danger dam. Stay back 200 feet. No boating, swimming, or wading. Strong currents. You can't drive on this one, because of course it's blocked off. Love these old covered bridges. Nice wooden trestles here, cross beams. And I guess right over there is the dam. Not sure what road that is, but you can park down there. They have a handicap accessible area. There's a few plaques on here, kind of difficult to read, but not too bad. The Saxe Covered Bridge, Adams County, bridge number 1. Year built 1852, reconstructed back in 1996. So back in 1996, high floodwaters swept some of the bridge away, so they put steel beams under there and they raised the bridge 3 feet. Found this on the other side, the most historic covered bridge in Pennsylvania. You guys can pause and read along. Unfortunately, some of the pictures are pretty bad, but there's when the bridge got swept away. There's the dam. Well, this isn't a covered bridge, but this is going to be pretty cool. I'm right next to Gettysburg Battlefield. We're going to climb up these stairs and take a look at the battlefield from up there. As the climb, and there's a note right here. Any person riding upon or otherwise defacing this tower will be arrested and liable to a fine of $500. And I'm sure somebody did that, but it's closed. I just saw that, so we're not climbing. Oh well, maybe next time. Well, hopefully you guys can hear me over the sounds of the mowers, but there's a little information on the Everhart covered bridge. And this bridge was built back in 1881 to span the Little Buffalo Creek in Oliver Township in Perry County. Miss Margaret Wester Meggs, the preserver of Fort Hunter, purchased the bridge in 1940 for $70, saving it from demolition. And if you look down there, there's the bill of sale. Everhart Bridge, and this is probably about 60 feet long. Some more information up here. If you would have your wish come true, the covered bridge you must go through. And we shall.
This is Fleischer's Bridge. It's an historic wooden covered bridge located in Newport here in Pennsylvania. It's a 113-foot long bird truss bridge constructed in 1887. Steel I-beams were erected back in 1960 to cross the Big Buffalo Creek, and it's on the National Register back in 1980.
Fleischer's Bridge, 11 foot 6 inches. Well, a beautiful sunset behind us. That was really cool, discovering all those different covered bridges in Maryland and Pennsylvania. I would just ask SIRI where's the closest covered bridge, and she would say where it's at, and then I would head over there. There are actually a lot of covered bridges in Maryland and Pennsylvania. I saw that on a map, so there's a lot to discover. So next time I head out that way, I think I'll check out some more bridges. Hope you enjoyed them, and on that note,
Traveler out.